Hello and welcome. Let me show you how to use the quadratic formula calculator. Let's say you wanted to solve x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. You could just type it into the calculator. So let me do that now. X squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. I hit enter, and then we get this answer down here. So the calculator computed that the answer is x is equal to -1 or x is equal to -3. Let me walk you through the steps by hand. So the quadratic formula states that if you have some equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then you can use the quadratic formula to solve for x. The quadratic formula is x is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And so one part of using the formula is figuring out what a, b, and c are, but you can just match it up with the equation. So a is the number in front of x squared, and remember x squared is the same thing as 1x squared, so you know that a is equal to 1, the b is equal to 4, and then c, the constant term, is equal to 3. So let's plug a, b, and c into the quadratic formula. X is equal to -b, which is -4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, or 4 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 3, all over 2 times a, 2 times 1. Okay, and then under the radical we have 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 3, which is 12. 16 minus 12 under the radical, so that's radical 4, which is 2. So then x is equal to -4 plus or minus 2 all over 2. So there are two answers because there's a plus and a minus. X is either equal to -4 plus 2 divided by 2, which is -1, or x is equal to, now let's take the negative, -4 minus 2 divided by 2. On the top, -4 minus 2 is -6. -6 divided by 2 is -3.